Good day everyone. Today I will present the business model canvas of my chosen business called Brew and Go Cafe. This is a small coffee shop that serves coffee and snacks to students and office workers. For the introductions, Brew and Go Cafe is a small modern coffee shop designed to serve busy students and office workers who need quality coffee on the go. It focuses on affordable prices, fast service, and a comfortable space where customers can relax, study, or recharge during their day. So for the business model canvas, we have 9 models. Number 1, key partners. These identify external suppliers or partners that help the business operate. Partnerships help reduce risk and improve efficiency. And for the number 2, key activities. This explains the main actions the business must perform to run successfully. These activities support the value propositions. And the number 3, key resources. This list is the most important assessed of the business needs to operate. These resources help create, deliver value. And the number 4, value propositions. This describes what value the business offers to customers. It explains why customers choose the product or service over others. And for the number 5, customer relationships, this explains how the business interact with customers. It focuses on how the business attracts, retains, and satisfy customers. And for the number 6, channels, this shows how the business deliver its products or services to customers. It also include how the business communicate and promotes itself. And for the number 7, customer segments, this block explains who the business serves. It identifies the specific groups of customers the business targets. And for the number 8, cost structure, this shows the major cost involved in running the business. It explains where the business spends most of its money. And for the number 9, revenue streams, this block describes how the business makes money. It identifies the product or services customers pay for. How each block of the BMC applies to my business. Number 1, customer segments. Brew and Go Cafe serves college students, office workers, and people who need quick coffee. This customer value affordable prices, convenient and fast service. For the number 1, customer segments. Customer segments help the cafe understand who it serves and what they need. This allows Brew and Go Cafe to design products, prices, and services that match customers' lifestyles and preferences. And for the number 2, value propositions, the cafe offers fresh and tasty coffee at affordable prices with quick service. It also provides a comfortable spaces where customers can relax, study, or work. But the value propositions explains why customers choose Brew and Go Cafe over other cafes, offering affordable tasty coffee with quick service and a comfortable spaces help attracts and retains customers. And for the number 3, channels, customer can buy from Brew and Go Cafe by visiting the physical stores, ordering through food delivery apps, social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram help promotes product with connect with customers. Channels help the cafe deliver its product and reach customers effectively. Using a physical store, delivery apps, and social media increases visibility, makes buying more convenient. The number 4, customer relationships. The cafe build relationship through friendly customers, serving customer service and loyalty cards, online engagement such as replying to messages and comments help maintain trust and customer satisfactions. Customer relationship help build trust, encourage repeat visits, friendly service, loyalty cards, and online interactions make customers feel valued and connected to the cafe. And for the number 5, revenue streams, Brew and Go Cafe earns mainly from coffee sales. Additional revenue comes from snacks, pastries, and seasonal drinks. Revenue streams show how the cafe earns money and stays profitable. Selling coffee, snacks, pastries, and seasonal drinks creates multiple sources of income. For the number 6, key resources, the business relies on machines, quality ingredients, trained employees, and the chef spaces. These resources are essential for daily operations and service quality. Key resources provide the tools and assets needed to run the cafe daily. Coffee machines, ingredients, staff, and the shop spaces ensure consistent service quality. And for the number 7, key activities. Daily activities include preparing coffee and snack, serving customer, and maintaining cleanliness. The cafe also promotes its product through social media marketing. Key activities keep the cafe operating smoothly and meeting customers' expectations. Preparing products, serving customers, maintaining cleanliness, and marketing support daily business success. And for the number 8, key partners. Suppliers provide coffee beans, baked goods, and other ingredients needed for the cafe. Delivery app companies help the business reach more customers beyond walk-in sales. Key partners help the cafe operate efficiently and expand its reach. Suppliers ensure quality ingredients while the delivery apps help attract more customers. And for the number 9, cost structure. Major costs include rent, employees, salaries, ingredients, and utility bills. These are the necessary expenses to keep the cafe operating smoothly. The cost structure help the cafe understand where money is spent. Managing expense like rent, salaries, and utilities ensure sustainable operations and profitability. Why certain elements, e.g. channels, customer segments are structured as you choose. So for the number 1, I choose key partners because the cafe depends on reliable suppliers and delivery platforms to maintain product quality and smooth operations. Without these partners, it would be difficult to consistently serve good coffee and reach more customers. And for the number 2, I choose channels because they directly affect how customers discover and buy from the cafe. Using walk-in sales, social media, and delivery apps matches the habit of busy students and office workers who value convenience and accessibility. So for the understanding and reflections, number 1, which building blocks was easiest to identify? Why? Customer segments were the easiest because it is clear who usually buys coffee. Number 2, which block was the most challenging and why? Key partners were the hardest because I had to think about who helps the business behind the scenes. And for the applications and insights, how does your value propositions meet customers' needs? Customers want fast, affordable, and good quality coffee. The coffee provides all 3. And number 4, what channels will you use and why? The cafe uses walk-ins, social media, and delivery apps because customers like convenience and online access. And for the strategic thinking, number 5, who are your key partners or resources? And why are they important? Suppliers are very important because without ingredients, the cafe cannot sell anything. And for the number 6, how do cost and revenue connect? Will it be profitable? If daily sales are higher than rent, salaries, and supplies to the cafe can make a profit. And for the evaluation and improvement, number 7, what changes would improve the model? Adding online promotions or student discounts could attract more customers. And for the number 8, what are the biggest risks and how can you solve them? For the risk, fewer customers, and so are solutions, promotions, new drinks, and better marketing. And for the conclusion, Brew and Go Cafe is a small but well-structured business that focuses on providing affordable quality coffee with fast and friendly service to students and office workers. By using this model canvas, the cafe clearly identify its customers, operations, and strategies, allowing it to grow through effective marketing, strong partnerships, and continuous product improvement.